The Sixth Amendment of the United States Constitution is part of the Bill of Rights and was ratified on December 15, 1791. The amendment outlines various protections for individuals accused of crimes, focusing on the right to a fair and speedy trial, the right to an impartial jury, and the right to counsel, among other provisions. To bring some context, in all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crimes shall have been committed, which district by law shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have the assistance of counsel for his defense. More context and interpretation. Speedy and public trial. The amendment guarantees that a person accused of a crime has the right to a trial without necessary delays, and the trial must be public. This is to prevent undue hardship to the accused, and to maintain public confidence in the justice system. Impartial jury. The accused has the right to be tried by an impartial jury from the state and district where the crime was committed. This is to ensure that the accused is judged by a cross section of the community rather than by a bias or partial group. In form of the accusation. The accused must be informed of the charges against them. This allows the accused to prepare an adequate defense and challenges the prosecution to prove each element of the crime. Confrontation clause. The accused has the right to be confronted with the witnesses against them. This allows for cross examination, considered a crucial aspect for a fair trial. Compulsory process. The accused has the right to compel witnesses to appear in court for their defense. This ensures that all relevant evidence and testimony can be presented. Assistance of counsel. The accused has the right to legal representation. If the accused cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided. This is the basis for the public defender system. To bring legal cases and interpretations, the Sixth Amendment has been the subject of numerous landmark Supreme Court cases, including Gideon versus Wainwright, Shepard versus Maxwell, Crawford versus Washington. In Gideon versus Wainwright, 1963, established the right to counsel for all indigent defendants in felony cases. Shepard versus Maxwell in 1966 addressed the issue of pretrial publicity, emphasizing the need for an impartial jury. Crawford versus Washington, 2004, clarified the confrontation clause, stating that out of court statements that are testimonial cannot be used as evidence unless the witness is unavailable and the defendant has had a prior opportunity to cross examine them. More moderate implications, the Sixth Amendment remains a cornerstone of the American criminal justice system, ensuring that individuals accused of crimes are afforded a fair and impartial trial. It is often invoked in discussions about criminal justice reform, particularly concerning the right to counsel and the effectiveness of public defender systems. In conclusion, the Sixth Amendment provides essential protections for individuals facing criminal prosecution, aiming to ensure fairness, transparency, and justice in the legal process.